What do I mean by programming that's been happening around Father's Day? You probably heard a thing or two about mindset and that we are influenced by everything we see or hear. So this is what I saw walking in the store to look for greeting cards. I'm sure you're doing the best you can. In fact, you're likely determined to be better than your dad, already outscoring your dad in every category there is. Though I highly doubt that you're doing all of it for the title of the guy who mastered how to use a duct tape 20 different ways. There is a subtle message that you also receive and accept when you are in the store for a greeting card. The message of which you will be celebrated for. Today, I want to share something important, a method to do along with me to redefine your role as a father without the burden of your memory of growing up. By the end of this video, I promise you, if you so choose to do the 3 simple steps that I describe, you will be quite literally free to create your own fatherhood legacy. And what's most importantly, you will change the trajectory for fatherhood for every son and grandson that comes after you.